Hello everybody, and in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the 2018 AMC 8 problem number 20. So the first thing that you're going to have to do is, the problem is a probability problem. So first let's just get probability defined. It's the number of wins over the number of possibilities. And I'm guessing most of you already know this, because then you wouldn't even be watching this video if you don't know what possibilities and wins are, and the definition of probability. So the problem asks, what is the chance that in all the 4-digit numbers that you choose an odd 4-digit number whose digits are all distinct? So we know that the number of possibilities right here is 9,000. So we already have that down, and now I just have to find the number of chances, the number of possibilities that will win, number of ways that we could win. So for the last digit, it has to have, there's 5 choices for the last digit, and we know that there are 8 choices now for the first digit, because we already chose one for the last digit. And since the last digit must be odd, there's only 5 choices. There's 9 choices originally for the first digit, but since we already chose one from the 5 digits, then we can only have 8 choices for the first digit. The second digit can be from 0 to 9, so there are 10 choices, but we already chose 2 from 8 and 5, and so we only have 8. And the next one has 7. And now we just have to calculate this out. 5 goes into 9,000, 1800, 8 goes into 180, 1,800, wait a second, 2, dividing 1,800 by 4, we get that this is equal to 450, but we can take out another 2, so this becomes 1, and this ends up being 225. And multiplying 8 times 7, we get that our answer is equal to 8 over 225. And we're done. 56 over 225. And that is all we had to do. This problem is relatively simple, and with a few tricks up your sleeve, you can probably solve this pretty easily. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.